I got a funny idea because this dog wants revenge. Leo, it smells like drugs. My neighborhood. Stop doing drugs. This is my YouTube channel. This is a beautiful.
Who's this?
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna play some
No, thank you. Sorry, that was my bad. Can I get me some of my favorite cookies? Hey! Don't eat it! This is my stuff. Hey! Don't you dare. I'm gonna get you some. This is getting harder and harder. Hey! Don't eat it! No! Stop it! The chingo! Malogarasido. Hey! Did you look at his eyes? He was like, no. I got locked in again, bruh. Who is here? Yes, I get locked in. RP. I'm trying. No! Mine! I sound like a chickamauga. Ay! I'm gonna throw something at you. Maro gotta shoot. I know what about this. I have my phone here, so I can call them and so they can unlock my door. Every time. This is the second day I got locked in. Like, really? This is the second day I got locked in. And this idiot couldn't Hey! No! Don't eat my shit. Oops. You made me cuss, you adorable smile dog. Stop staring at me. You look like smile dog. You know what? I'll put you 3 so you can stop annoying me. Hey. Eat it. Bastard. What the heck? Mosquito. I remember something funny in the classroom that one of my classmates said. Oh my God, there's a flying ball in the house. And I'm like, I'm gonna keep it. But then it's a mosquito. Cause he doesn't know what a mosquito is, cause he ate Spanish.